Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to do something different. And here you can see I have a prompt here, so I'm going to actually paste this prompt into ChatGPT, Gemini and Claude, and I will test that who can make better game for me. So this is a a copy of 3D games like Subway Surfer. So I have generated this prompt, and I will share this prompt in the description so that you can copy this also. And I will check now that which chatbot actually works well to make a game. Okay, and we'll play the game also. Okay, so the game will be a web-based game. So I'm going to actually copy this at first, and let's go for the ChatGPT, and I'll paste it here, and I will actually go for the plus icon here, and I will choose here thinking mode. Okay, because it will work better. And then I will actually hit enter, or maybe I will click here in this up arrow sign. Okay, and here we go, it's thinking. Now it will actually go for all the things. Here you can see it is giving us HTML and all the files. You can see I will actually download this, but it is working currently. You can see now we are going to go for the Gemini, and here we are going to paste the same thing, same prompt. You copy it from here. Okay, so I am using here free Gemini, so I'm going to select this one, Flash, and okay, and then you can click here plus icon, then you can choose any of it, but let me check it. So this is deep research. We don't need this because we are not here doing researches, right? We are making games, so we shouldn't check any of it. Maybe yes, we don't have to actually check any of it. Now we'll go with the default setting, and we'll hit enter, or maybe you can actually submit it by clicking here this up arrow sign. Now let's go for the Claude. Now I'm going to paste the same prompt here, and here you can see I have different option here. I will actually add here thinking so that it can give here more effort. All right, so we have select effort thinking and the model as Sonnet 4.6. Now hit enter. Before that, I want to actually click here in the plus icon, and I want to check there is any other mode or not. So okay, we don't have to actually check any of it because these are for research purpose. I'm okay with it, and I'm going to hit enter, or maybe you can actually click on this up arrow sign. So let's go back to the ChatGPT, and here you can see our code is ready. Now I'll actually download this. Here we go. Now I'll check it. Oh wow, you can see my character is running, but this is not moving, and there is obstacle. You can see like broken train, and this is the place of desert, and we have here some 3D cactus and stone, right? And our character is moving. You can see running through the street, but I can actually jump here and move from left to right. So the issue is here we cannot jump and then move left and right. So we'll actually add it. I'm going to remove this and go back here in the ChatGPT, and I'm going to say that all are good except. Now it will actually regenerate the code. So you can see through ChatGPT free version, I can actually generate a fully functional game, right? There is some limitation. There is some problem. So we are actually here to fix them. Let's check it. All right. Now I can regenerate the entire HTML file fix. Okay. So I will actually check it here so that it actually regenerate the HTML file. All right. Okay, fine. Now let's go for the Gemini. Here we have, now download this. Oh wow, we have here also similar things, but this is way better than ChatGPT. But here you can see there is also a problem, and that is we cannot actually move our character left and right, and we cannot jump over the obstacle, right? So I'm going to mention here that wow, this is awesome. I want to refresh the page. So it will actually regenerate the project, and let's go back to the ChatGPT here, and we'll actually download this once again because it regenerate it. Now I'll open it. And this time you can see the character is moving. Here you can see, but and also it can jumping. You can see it can jump over the obstacle. You can see, but character is now changed a little, and the background also. So we can actually fix them, right? You can see I made a game, right? So I can change the view of the background. You can see here now background is black. I can just see the street only, so I can get back the desert feel, right? So other than this, everything is now working. You can see, so we can fix them. All right, our game is working. Now let's go for the Gemini. So I'm going to remove this and go for the Gemini, and here we get back our code. So I'm going to download this once again and run this. Now yes, here background is working. You can see. Oh, it's okay. So background is also working here, and here we can now jump also. Okay, then we can change the, we can move from left to right and right to left, right? And the background and obstacle and everything working here. So this is a fully functional game for me. So here Gemini works far better than ChatGPT. You can see, because for the second time when it regenerated the code, we actually lost our background, right? The look we have here in the desert look, you can see. But in the Gemini, we have the same look, but now it added additional criteria like jumping and move from left to right. All right, so it's a fully functional game. We can actually make this kind of game through Gemini by using free plan. Now this is the time to go with Claude here. All right guys, after a long time, it took more than 1 hour. I don't know why, maybe because of my internet connection, but it gives me the output. Here you can see. Now I will actually click here start run, and can I move? Yes, I can move here. You can see. Can I jump? No, I cannot jump here, but I can move the obstacle. You can see. Sorry, I can move the character, right? Okay, now over. Okay, so there was one thing missing, and that is jump. So we can actually add it. So we'll ask for it that please add the jump. Okay, and then it will be perfect. Let's just try once again. I want to actually download this, and I want to check it. Here we go. Click here start run, and here we go. So oh wow, so this is also through free option, so you can actually make this kind of game through Claude free. So I have made this game through Claude free AI with the Claude free version. So it's working perfectly. Just we cannot actually jump, right? So we have to add this, and graphics is clear. All right, so we'll add here jump option. I think it's slightly better than Gemini, but brightness is really hard. So we have to actually, if you think about obstacles, if you think about cactus tree, if you think about the background, you can see it's far better than Gemini. I don't know, for me, in your case maybe different. All right guys, I have shown you the 3 different AI and their performance, and you can see that we can generate 3D games with the free version also. Claude and Gemini works better than ChatGPT. I will keep Claude AI at the very top, and then Gemini in the 2nd position, and then ChatGPT in the 3rd position. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching this video.